The other day, as is my wont, I went in the Apple and Parrot for a quick drink, and there was the parrot, as usual, in his little cage. Here's a picture of him. And there was another parrot, and here's a picture of him. Now the second parrot, obviously, unless some mad scientist has been doing genetic research on a major scale, not really a parrot. Actually, it's a member of staff dressed up in a parrot uniform, and they were shooting an advert for a forthcoming event. It's going to come up sometime in a week or two. So I took the camera out and filmed the filming of the advert, and this is the result.
I do what I do when I promote. So Parrot Festival, 18th of September, the outdoor festival indoors, beer tent, food tent, music tent, the outdoor festival indoors, blah blah blah.
Basically, yeah.
So what is it? The Parrot Fest 18th. Hello Roxy, how are you? There's some mighty tight triangle. There, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Right, so that's right, 10 beer Jaeger bomb here with the Apple. No, sorry, that's right, I'm bringing you a deal. 10 beer Jaeger bomb here with the Apple and Parrot Fest 4.
Yeah.
That's bonkers, yeah?
That's bonkers.
So.
Okay, well, we're here in the Apple and Parrot filming the latest...
That's right, I'm bringing you a deal. 10 beer Jaeger bomb here at the Apple and Parrot Fest between 8 and 10. That's bonkers!
And here's the apple. No, sorry, the parrot.
Let's do that one again, let's do that one again. It was hilarious. The ruffling of the poster was what cracked me up straight away. It's like, get it!
He's looking at you, Charlie. You have a big smile on your face as if coming down.
Right, okay. Alright, quiet on set, quiet on set. Out with the parrot quickly.
Well, the real parrot's just been shut up. But we've got another parrot coming down in a minute.
That's right, I'm bringing you a deal. 10 beer Jaeger bomb here at the Apple and Parrot Fest 4. That is bonkers! Bonkers! Bonkers!
I think you start running before I say bonkers. I think you start running, so that's
I think
right.
you should start saying bonkers.
So you need to be bonkers.
Yeah, I think, and
Yeah.
just start shouting bonkers on the way down.
Yeah.
Bonkers. Yeah, literally start throwing yourself around when you get to the club.
And try and be here for bonkers.
Yeah.
So that's right.
Yeah.
I'm bringing you a deal. Right, you recording?
That's right, I'm bringing you a deal. 10 beer Jaeger bomb here at the Apple and Parrot Fest 4. That's bonkers!
Yeah.
Right, so
That's right, I'm bringing you a deal. 10 beer Jaeger bomb here at the Apple and Parrot Fest 4 between 8 and 10 on the 18th of September. That's bonkers! Yeah!
You've got to see that. You've got to see what I see broke. Look at that. It's broken the poster.
killing me. Yeah, we. Right, so.
Literally, it's actually this close.
See my back ends.
That's it, hang on, sorry Andrew, I'll turn that over.
Right.
So when you're rocking out at Parrot Fest and you buy a drink between 8 and 10, it's gonna be 10p for a Jaeger bomb!
She's pretty good.
I'm only Sharon.
Hi, Sharon.
Afternoon there, Sharon. How are we today?
How are we doing? Do you want a hug from the parrot?
Shall we do